Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy price movement today, and then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support to keep an eye on, right down here at, let's see, what is this, about $1.50. $1.50 is where the price found consolidation during that opening part of the day. And during the final 30 minutes, which is being denoted by that candle right there, price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree the price is once again getting within this $1.50 range. So we'll see if that level can indeed hold as support or not. If it does not hold, then the next level of support is going to be the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Going back through the history of things, you can see that when the price has been down around there, it has produced some nice bounces. Don't get me wrong, though. I'm not saying that if the price gets down to that purple line, then it's guaranteed to bounce just like it's done in the past. I only wish trading was that easy. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, it wouldn't be shocking at all, considering it's happened a couple of times. But there are no such things as a guarantee in the market. So like I said, I can't sit here and say that a bounce would for sure happen. But ideally speaking, let's see if the price can stay above $1.50. But again, if the price cannot hold above there, then keep an eye on the purple line, the 50-period moving average. What about if things start to turn around and it starts to bounce? Let's talk some areas of resistance. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, initial level right here at $1.75. If the price can push up through $1.75, next key level after that, right up there at about $1.95. So $1.75, $1.95, next couple of areas of resistance. But as things stand right now, given the final 30 minutes, there was quite a bit of selling. Top priority, in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking resistance levels right now. It's making things don't spin out of control. And quote unquote spinning out of control, I would quantify as breaking down below $1.40 or getting to $1.40 or even lower. So keep an eye on those levels. Those are definitely going to be the key levels going forward. All in all, though, a lot of action on this one today. We'll see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.